Namaste, I am Manjula and welcome to Manjula's Kitchen. Missa Paratha is a traditional North Indian bread. At our house, this recipe was a staple. Adding spices to the dough adds an extra flavor to the parathas and make it more enjoyable. These parathas pair well with gravy-based dishes like dal and aloo tomato. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to receive the future recipes. If you like the recipe, leave the comment and share on social media. This recipe will make 6 parathas. For Missa Paratha, we will need half a cup of gram flour. I have already soaked this for 4 hours and as you see, it has become double in volume. We also need 1/3 cup of whole wheat flour, half an inch of ginger chopped, 1 chopped green chili, half a spoon of cumin seed, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of asafetida, and about 3 tablespoons of oil to cook the paratha. We also need about half a cup of water to make the dough. So first I am going to blend the chana to make the dough. Okay, so I am going to blend this chana, green chilies, ginger, and add about 1/4 cup of water. Just use enough water what you need to blend. Okay. So dal is blended and it looks very nice. Just add the water as much you need to blend. If you put too much water, blending will be easy, but you will have to add lot of whole wheat flour. Okay, so here is the dough. Add the asafetida, salt and cumin seed. Chilies you can always adjust to your taste. Mix it and then add the flour. Don't add all at one time. Just slowly. So while blending, I think I add too much water. So instead of 1/3 cup of flour, I have to use about 1 cup of flour. Dough is looking good. So now just grease your palm and knead the dough. Not too much, just little bit. And divide into 6 equal parts. And roll them between your palms. Now we are ready to roll the parathas. Heat is on medium high, so I will roll the paratha. First put it on just roll it in the dry flour and roll it about in 3-inch diameter. Put few drops of oil and just go around and cover it. You can do all of them the same way. This oil, putting it in the center, just gives little more crispiness to paratha. Now let's roll the paratha. Should be in about 6-inch diameter. If it is sticking to the rolling pin or to the surface you are rolling, just put little bit more dry flour. So to check the skillet if it is ready, just put your palm over it, you should feel warm. So I think it's hot. So let's just put the paratha. It will take few seconds before it will dry up and you will start seeing some bubbles on it. While this is getting ready, I can roll the another paratha. Same thing, just put more flour because it was sticking to the surface. And as you see, it has start giving some bubbles on the top, and dough is already drying, so it's changed some color, so it's time to flip it. Again, just wait few seconds and put about 1 teaspoon of oil. Press it lightly and flip it. As you see, it has already some brown nice spots and paratha is puffing. But do keep pressing it, it gives the nice color and paratha is well done that way. Paratha is ready and as you see this color, it's beautiful. So I will make the next paratha. Just repeat the same method and make all the parathas. So dough has changed the color, it is kind of dry and you see some bubbles on it. So this is time to change, turn it over and you see some brown spots. Again wait just for a few seconds and put 1 teaspoon of oil. Parathas are looking good, nice and crispy. I am serving this with dal today. Enjoy it. Till we meet again, check out more recipes on manjulaskitchen.com. Thank you.